If you're like most elevator owners, your service maintenance agreement was written by your elevator vendor who dictated the terms of the service you pay for. Maybe you were able to negotiate a few favorable terms to obtain more customized services for your equipment. Or perhaps you're one of the few customers who have succeeded in setting the contract terms, so your contract spells out exactly how often the vendor performs services and for how long. Whichever situation you find yourself in, ask yourself, how are you monitoring your maintenance fulfillment? Do you know the last time your vendor was on site? Which elevators did your technicians visit? For how long? What kind of preventative maintenance did your technician perform? Don't know? Don't worry. With an AuditMate Care auditing software, you don't have to spend your valuable time tracking down invoices, maintenance tickets, or check-in sheets to try and determine if you are receiving all the elevator maintenance you're paying for. Instead, you can view all your data 24/7, 365 in our Care customer portal. With an AuditMate Safe Maintenance contract, you can receive refunds for service default whenever your vendor fails to perform to the contract specifications. AuditMate even collects these refunds on your behalf, so you don't have to think twice about it. Rest assured while our team enforces your contract terms for you.